Hello viewer, if you face ChatGPT Age Verification Problem and it show, oops, unfortunately your age could not be verified, please try again later. Let's see how to fix this error. Step 1. Tap and hold on ChatGPT app. Click on I button. Now scroll down and find out storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from ChatGPT app. Or if you are iPhone user, please archive your ChatGPT app and then restore ChatGPT app. Now go back. Now follow the second step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Search ChatGPT app. From here, update ChatGPT app. And finally, the most important for successful verify your age on ChatGPT, you must need to upload a government issued ID or take a selfie verification. And also remember, if you are between 13 to 17 years old, a parent or guardian must complete your verification for you. So please follow this step to successfully verify ChatGPT Age Verification.